picking up scraps.
Yeah.
You even licking it.
Yeah, she's looking my pants. She's looking my pants clean. And that's good actually.
Oh, there's the grey one. That one's a bit thinner. I don't know if you use them. It's a little bit thinner. And it's also got the grip.
Started out with these
Yeah.
Jim Dunlops.
It's
the
a
old
Dunlop.
What
This
are you
one
doing
hasn't
now?
got any perforation. That's why I drop it all the time.
Yeah,
Because there's no
you got to have the perfs, mate.
perfs. But it's a bit thicker. It's the one I mainly use. But I got to get one of similar thickness with the perfs. Because when I really get in there, it fucking flies out of my hand. And it's like...
Hey lady, what are you doing?
That's why
Come
you
out here.
use my fingers. You can't drop them in the
It's
sand.
cold. Come on, lady.
It's cooled down.
Those travelling Wilbury songs.
I know, it's good for dogs.
Yeah.
So what's some of the...
That's very cool.
What's something you'd do if you were at a gig doing one of your just
Oh, she's halfway
solo
between
gigs?
the-
What are the sort
Creedence,
of
man.
Bit of
stuff you
Creedence,
do?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, play a bit of
Yeah.
Creedence,
No,
yeah.
this is gone.
You know a bit of Creedence, don't you, Pete?
Bit of
Not
chisel.
to play, but I
Oh, we
know
can sing
I
along.
know a lot of the songs. Though.
Oh,
I
we'll
can
join
sing
him
to
on
it.
Yeah, I know
vocals.
some of them.
Hey, that's what I mean. Play something